Take five. So I have really enjoyed putting together this website and sharing my love of history, some of my favorite resources, and a bit of myself with you guys. I decided to not use stock photos for most of the um, page headers because I wanted to share pictures that I've taken at from travels, from school, from just things that I love. So that's how come um that's where those picture choices came from. And like I said, I've enjoyed putting this together, um sharing history with and non-classroom resources that can be used in the classroom with you all. The resource page, it was a challenge to limit the number of resources that I would share, but I wanted to keep it about five or so per. There are a lot more resources out there, and even on the favorites, trying to figure out, okay, what should I put on the resource page versus what I should have on my favorites page. So that's why I also included some of the personal links, the my favorites for the personal links. And I did do those old school by actually copying the link address and then doing my own annotations. Tech projects, I found the PLE, PLN really interesting and getting me to, as most of these projects, just getting me to think um, differently and not just, well, yeah, but I do this. Well, okay, why? Um, what resources do I actually share as far as what communities are there for these three interconnected fields? Um, what tools do I go to? Um, the PLN chart and reflections were very enlightening as far as how we use the social media and really thinking about what they are intended to do and what we use them for. That Pinterest and Instagram are different, but there's still Instagram still tells the story. Facebook is, well, they're owned by the same company. So Facebook is still telling a story, but using more words versus pictures. And Pinterest is curation. I wouldn't, I hadn't thought about it that way. And that made that assignment very interesting to just change the way of thinking about social media, though I still do not like Twitter. Um, the website evaluations, just looking more objectively at all of the websites and apps and such that are out there for teachers to use in education technology. And it still blows my mind, just everything that's available, and to look at it objectively versus subjectively. Um, Obviously, I'm biased towards my own company's products. The digital story was a lot of fun to do, and a lot of sharing of that love of history and the telling the story of a history, that it's not just names and dates. I chose the pictures that I did specifically to tell that story. Um, Naval Archives has fabulous pictures available, but to put faces, those women's faces who, in World War I, World War II, that opened doors and broke down barriers. Um, and that's the story that I love to tell. So obviously you can tell I'm passionate about it. Um, but it was a lot of fun to put together. um, Listening to big band music, listening to the the available radio programs, when we weren't attached to our phones. So it's a lot of fun. Um, so that is obviously me sharing a lot about myself in this website. Um, we all have passions and sometimes they get a little too enthusiastic. So, like I said, I had a fabulous time putting this together. I learned a lot out of this class, and I do really appreciate all of the projects that went into it just to make us um, think differently about um, and think more intentionally about social media and the resources that are available out there to help us educate our fellow humans.